Alright, so today we've got ourselves a nice thrown out rear tine rototiller. We're gonna get some work out of her, see if we can't fix it up. Found it on the side of the road. Don't know why. So I went ahead and bought a new spark plug for it, a new belt. If you can tell from that, this thing's a little loose. That's not supposed to be quite that loose. That nice drive belt there. So, and if you look down in there, you can see, maybe not. There we go. You see that spark plug looks a little rusty, so she's probably fouled out inside there. And no telling what the deal is with it. Now this motor obviously did not come original with this tiller. This is an MTD tiller, rear tine tiller, belt drive. Really good tiller, brand new. These are like 700 bucks. So picked it up for free, and well, the spark plug was $2.66, and new belt for her was $15. So we'll see if around $18 we able to get this thing up and running. So, first thing to check, see what happens when I try and start it. Alright, gas is on. Probably double check the gas. Shoot, gas tank's full up. That's at least $5 worth of fuel in there. Fuel's on. Go ahead and choke her. So there's the other way you can tell this is not the original motors, because it's got a throttle down here, not really connected back here. Well, shoot, John, I'm kind of thinking, did we steal a tiller? Because it works. Now I'm a little worried. I think we stole a tiller. But, well, it was on the side of the road and next to a trash can, so that's universal for take me, right? I thought. Well, in any case, we're going to go ahead and replace this spark plug in here because, well, I bought a spark plug, I might as well fix it. And we're definitely going to change this belt out because she's loose. So for those of you watching who don't know how to change out a spark plug, well, you pull this little dealy whopper off. That's your wiring, right? Check inside there. She looks pretty good still. Can't really see in the video, but she's good. And you take this, get yourself a spark plug socket, the right size. That should be a deep well. Just throw it on there. And well, she was a little loose already, so that makes it a little easier too. Just pull her out. Stick your hand in there. You want to do this with the engine still cold, because see, that says hot. That's the exhaust, and that'll get real hot because it's burning out exhaust. Kind of simple shit, And we'll plug out. Take a look, see here. There we go. Well, she's got a little carbon on there, but really not bad. But all that rust and corrosion, we're just gonna go ahead and change that out with the one I already bought from good old Napper. Alright. So, new Champion spark plug. Go ahead and throw it in there. Just like that. Start her off, thread her in. Oop, maybe. Sometimes you gotta use the socket to kind of help you out there. There we go. Thread it on in there, nice and snug. I didn't bother torquing it or gapping the spark plug because even though you're supposed to, I figure if she doesn't run with this new one, I'll take it out and gap it and do all the research and whatnot to find the proper gap for this spark plug in this motor. But I have to use the Google box and all that crap, so we'll just try it. Plug the spark plug wire back in there. Alright. And now we'll see if that new spark plug works, which, I mean, that old crapped out spark plug worked. I don't see why this one wouldn't. Now remember, always make sure that that little switch there is on. Very important. Make you look like an idiot. Choke, fuel, already checked the gas tank, full throttle. Alright, well that was probably the easiest motor work I've ever done. Changed spark plug out and she ran just like she did before. So now it's onto the belt.
You can grab another 54.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, so if I got a 3/8 56, I need a half like 57. Alright, now we're on to the belt. So you can see this belt's a little loose and a little bit wore out. Went ahead and got a new one for $15 at Tractor Supply. This one right here. So now you can put the small end on there, wrap her on there like that. So now she won't engage there, right? But she will get tight and engaged there. So, just that simple. Now, do a double check here and make sure this will slide her on down there. Yeah, there's a little bit of engage, but not much. So that's pretty near good enough. Can't really adjust that part down any farther than that. So there you have it. Let's see if these tubes will hold air. Because, well, she's a little flat, but there's tubes in there, so it might work. If not, I know a guy. Oh, yeah. Nothing to it. Good and solid. I say I'm not worried about the dry rot because there's another tube inside of there. Do that. Put the valve cap back on there. Well, the other side. This is not near as bad. Go ahead and give her a little air and post her up for sale. Now we're going to put it all together. Start her up. Gonna get her warmed up a little. Go. So now you see she drives, kind of stops, there we go. Now we're going to take and test out the tines. Oh yeah. Says she works in every gear. Oh, there's reverse tines for when you need to clean them off. Stop. We'll even take and put her in reverse. Nothing to it. And there you have it. So, for a grand total of, let's see, $266 and $14.99, that's around $17 and some change. And now I've got a nice working tiller that may have been stolen, but I don't think it was stolen, but you know. For just a little bit of effort and not a whole lot of money, I've got a great working tiller now. So yeah, just keep that in mind whenever you're dealing with something and you gotta throw it out. Well, or you think you gotta throw it out. You don't have to throw it out. Just, you can probably fix it, or I guess throw it out and someone like me will come fix it and we'll sell it ourselves then. So there you have it. Have a good one.